The engine, changing our lives in more ways than not, has made it quick and easy to get around. This amazing machine has affected many people in countless ways. The engine has many useful purposes. For example, the internal combustion engine is commonly used for industrial and automotive purposes. This means things such as aircraft, submarines, cars, ships, boats, and countless others require the internal combustion engine. Sometimes engines are even used for military purposes, such as to haul artillery and transport troops. The engine has many other purposes, including transporting goods and people to and from distant places. Overall, the engine has many amazing and useful purposes. There were many people who built off of others' designs to eventually come up with the modern-day gas engine we have today. These people all shared a part in the invention of this fantastic machine. Francois Isaac de Rivaz, Samuel Brown, Jean-Joseph Etienne Lenoir, Alphonse Beau de Rochas, Siegfried Marcus, Eugene Langen, Nicholas Otto, Sir Dugald Clerk, Gottlieb Daimler, and Carl Benz are just some of the people who contributed to this amazing creation. More will be told about each of these fantastic people shortly. Each of these were very smart and talented icons in the industry that should be recognized for their work. In 1680, Christian Huygens designed a gunpowder-fueled internal combustion engine. This was never actually built. It was fueled by gunpowder. Then in 1807, Francois Isaac de Rivaz built an internal combustion engine as well. For fuel, this engine used a mixture of hydrogen and oxygen. After that, in 1824, Jean-Joseph Etienne Lenoir invented a spark-ignition internal combustion engine fueled by coal. Later in 1864, Siegfried Marcus built a one-cylinder engine. He attached this engine to a cart to drive 500 feet of rocks. In 1866, Eugene Langen and Nicholas Otto improved on Lenoir's design, making it a very efficient engine. In 1876, Nicholas Otto invented a successful four-stroke engine. Also in 1876, Sir Dugald Clerk invented the very first two-stroke engine that was actually successful. In 1885, Gottlieb Daimler invented a gas engine that some people consider the prototype of the modern gas engine. He also built the world's first four-wheeled automobile. In 1886, Carl Benz received the first patent on a gas-fueled car. From when it was thought up to the modern-day gas engine we have today, the engine has been evolving ever since 1680. The engine has impacted many people in many ways. First, the biggest one of all, the world went from everything being done by hands to having a machine do it. It made daily life for humans much easier. Also, before engines, people had to use horses to get around. After the engine, people were able to travel long distances in much shorter periods of time. The engine was also great for agriculture because it allowed for the invention of tractors and combines. Altogether, the engine has made its mark on just about everyone. Ever since the engine was invented, it has been evolving, changing, and improving to eventually become what it is today, a modern, gas-powered, amazing machine that we use every day of our lives.